Okay, we are told to evaluate log 45 plus log 9 raised to the power of minus 1 plus log 2 raised to the power of minus 1. Now, you see, there is no base here. If I may ask you, what is the base of this question? The base is 10. You understand? Because I told you that anytime you are given a logarithmic question and the base is not included, the base is always what? 10. The reason why most of the time we didn't put it there is because logarithm of a number to base 10 is what? A common log. You understand? So for this is log 10, log 10, log 10. Do you know, just like when you have root of 2, do you know, maybe root of, don't let me put 2, the root of maybe 200 and root of 24. You know, the meaning of square root is what? The 2 roots of 24. You understand? The meaning of square root is what? This 2 roots of 24. But we didn't put it there because this is a common root. You understand? So we also have a common log. You understand? So when the base of a logarithmic question is not included, just know that you are taking the base to what? In log 10, and you are taking the base as 10. You understand? So that is this, and that is this. So most of the time they didn't include these two. Why? Because this is a common root. So this is logarithm of a number to base 10 is also a common log. Do you understand that? So let us proceed with the question. Now I want to pause this video, then attempt the question, then play the video when you are done to check maybe your answer is correct. Okay, let's proceed. For this, I'm going to have log 45 base 10 plus, don't forget that 1 over 9 according to the law of exponents, maybe a rule of power, x raised to the power of minus 1 is what? 1 over x. That is why I refer you to that video, to our first class on indices. There I saw various laws. You see, one thing about mathematics is that if you didn't understand one topic, you won't be able to understand another one. You understand? So it's very, very important that you learn the basis. So if you didn't understand indices, check the link in the description of this video. Click on that link to watch indices and its application. You understand? So let's proceed. So for this, I'm going to have the log of 1 over 9 base 10 plus the log of 1 over 2 base 10. Do you understand to this point? I've not done anything. Okay, let's proceed. Log 10. Now, let me start by asking you this question. Don't forget that according to a law, among these laws that we are given, a law states that the log of a product is the sum of the log. That means the sum of the log is the log of a product. Now, which of these laws are we going to use? We are going to use the second law because we have an additional sign, and all this log has an additional sign. So we are going to take the product of every of it. You understand? So for this, I'm going to have log 45 times 1 over 9 multiplied by 1 over 2. Do you understand? So let's start by this. Log here, this is 1, this is 5, Abi. Do you understand? So this is the what? Log 5 over 2. Do you understand it to this point? Oh, let me put the base. Log 5 over 2 base 10. Do you understand? So this is the simplified form of this question. Okay, so let's say we have a negative sign here, a negative sign in this place, and we are told to evaluate this log. What is the answer? The answer is what? 1. And the answer will be 1. I will show it to you now. I erase the third step, you understand? Because we are still going to follow the same approach. We are still going to have log, but this will not be, this will be log 1 over 2, okay? We are still going to follow the same approach. So I erase only the third step, okay? So for this log 10 and log 45 base 10, I have it here. And I told you that x raised to the power of minus 1 in index can be written as this, according to the law of indices. So this is this. For this, I have this. And this will be changed to what? Minus. You understand? I'm just trying to, I changed the question. So I put the minus sign here and I told you that the answer is what? 1. So I want to prove it. Let's proceed. For this, I'm going to have log 45 base 10. According to the law of logarithm, the product of the log is the sum of the log. You understand what I'm saying? So for this, I'm going to have log 45 multiplied by 1 over 9. Do you understand how I got that? Because I have an additional sign. The product of the log is the sum of the log, and the sum of the log is the product of the log. You understand? The sum of the log is the product of the log. So for this, minus log 1 over 2 base 10. Do you understand? So for this, 9 here 1, 9 and 45, I'm going to have 5. You understand? So for this, I'm going to have log 5 base 10 minus log 1 over 2 base 10. Do you understand? So according to another laws of logarithm, the quotient of a log is the difference of the log. You understand? So therefore, the difference of a log is the quotient of that log. But we have the difference here. So the difference of this log is the quotient. Abi? So I'm going to talk about quotient division. You understand? So for this, I'm going to add log base 10 into bracket 5 divided by what? 1 over 2. Do you understand it to this point? If you didn't understand, kindly pause the video and watch the previous step before I got to this step. Okay, so let's proceed. For this, I'm going to have log base 10. Okay, 5 multiplied by 2. Abi, when this division sign changes to multiplication sign, this denominator will change to what? Will become the numerator, and this will become the denominator. Abi, so for this, I'm going to have log 10 base 10, and I told you that logarithm of a number to the same base is what? 1. So this is equal to 1. So if you arrive at 1 as your answer, kudos to you.